Hello, today we're going to talk about a topic that affects millions of people: fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is becoming increasingly common and can have serious health consequences if left untreated. If you're someone who's been experiencing fatty liver symptoms, looking for fatty liver treatments, or simply wants to take better care of your liver health, then this video is for you.
In this video, we're going to share with you 5 essential vitamins that can help cleanse your liver and improve its overall health, as well as give you some tips and suggestions on how you can improve your liver health through some simple lifestyle changes.
Fatty liver disease is a common problem affecting over 40% of adults in the US. If left untreated, it can lead to weight gain, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and heart problems.
So what is happening here? Your liver is one of the biggest organs in your body. It does a lot of important jobs, like filtering out harmful things from your blood and storing important vitamins. But when people eat too much unhealthy food and drink, like sugar and alcohol, it can damage the liver and make it store too much fat. This can cause problems like pain on the right side of your body, an underactive thyroid, poor blood circulation, and potentially even man breasts. Over time, a fatty liver can lead to even bigger problems like inflammation, scarring, and fibrosis, which is a medical condition characterized by the formation of excess fibrous connective tissue.
But the good news is, the liver can heal itself if you eat the right things and make some positive lifestyle enhancements. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 vitamins that can help clean the fat from your liver and protect it from future harm.
Remember, this video is just for learning and general information. If you have any specific health concerns, be sure to talk to a doctor.
Here are the top 5 vitamins for liver health. 1. Vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant is essential for liver function and has been shown to help reduce liver damage. Vitamin C helps the liver to detoxify harmful substances, such as alcohol and chemicals, and protect the liver from oxidative stress. Vitamin C is also important for maintaining a healthy immune system, which is crucial for liver health. Some great sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, as well as vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts.
2. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another important vitamin for liver health. This vitamin has anti-inflammatory properties and helps to protect the liver from oxidative damage. Vitamin E can be found in foods like almonds, avocados, and sweet potatoes, as well as in supplements. Regularly incorporating vitamin E into your diet can help support liver function and reduce the risk of liver damage. It's important to note that vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin, so it's best to take it with a meal that contains healthy fats.
3. B vitamins. B vitamins, specifically B6 and B12, are important for liver health as they help to break down harmful substances in the liver. B6 and B12 can be found in a variety of foods, including poultry, fish, eggs, and fortified cereals. Incorporating these B vitamins into your diet can help improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver damage. It's also important to maintain a healthy level of B vitamins, as a deficiency in these vitamins can lead to liver problems.
4. Milk thistle. Another important supplement for liver health is milk thistle. This herb has been used for centuries to support liver function and protect the liver from damage. Milk thistle contains a powerful antioxidant called silymarin, which has been shown to help reduce liver damage and promote liver health. Milk thistle can be found in supplement form and is a great way to support your liver's health. It's important to speak with your doctor before starting any new supplements, including milk thistle, to make sure it's safe for you.
5. Alpha-lipoic acid. Last but not least, we have alpha-lipoic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the liver from oxidative stress. Alpha-lipoic acid is found in foods like spinach, broccoli, and potatoes, as well as in supplements. Including alpha-lipoic acid in your diet can help improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver damage. It's also been shown to have a beneficial effect on blood sugar levels, which is important for liver health.
All of these are great supplemental vitamins that can help clean a fatty liver. Try 1 or 2 of them and see what works best for you. Later in this video, we'll talk about some easy lifestyle changes that can help take the fat away from your liver and make it better. But first, let's find out what causes this problem in the first place.
5 root causes of fatty liver disease. The first and most common cause of fatty liver disease is a diet high in carbohydrates. When you eat too many foods high in sugar, starch, or fructose, the liver makes more triglycerides and cholesterol.
Second, regular use of pain relievers or antibiotics can damage liver cells and cause fat to build up inside. This includes acetaminophen, ibuprofen, corticosteroids, and other drugs.
Third, fatty liver disease can also be caused by a lack of nutrients that help the liver work, like choline, niacin, folate, vitamin B12, or vitamin D.
Fourth, if you eat too many artificial sweeteners, the number of good microbes in your gut can go down, which makes the walls of your intestines weaker. This lets endotoxins get back into your blood and hurt the cells in your liver.
Fifth, fatty liver disease is also often caused by drinking too much alcohol and being exposed to certain viruses that cause hepatitis.
Now that you know the main reasons why fatty liver disease happens, let's talk about 5 lifestyle changes you can do to get rid of the fat in your liver.
1. Clean up your diet by eating less bread, biscuits, sweets, ketchup, pancakes, pasta, soda drinks, and other sugary, starchy, and flour-based foods. Fruit sugar, or fructose, affects a fatty liver the same way that alcohol does. Because of this, it is very important to not drink fruit juice and eat less sweet fruit.
2. Eat a lot of bitter, sulfur-rich foods like leafy greens, artichokes, radishes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, mushrooms, pasture-raised eggs, wild salmon and other oily fish, walnuts, onions, scallions, and broccoli sprouts. Foods with a lot of sulfur help the liver get rid of fat by raising glutathione levels and making it easier to get rid of toxins.
3. Eat all of your calories in a 6-hour window, so your body can fast for 18 hours a day. We suggest that you eat all of your meals between noon and 6, but you can change this to fit your schedule. This is called intermittent fasting or timed eating, and it makes a big difference in the health of the liver by reducing inflammation and increasing IGF-1, a hormone that helps the liver stop making new fat. Daily fasting also helps the process of autophagy, which is how your body gets rid of damaged cells and reuses their parts to make new healthy cells in your liver and all over your body.
4. Drink at least 1 liter of high-quality mineral water every day. This will help keep your body hydrated and thin your blood, which will make it easier for your liver to move fats to the right places. To help your liver get rid of toxins better, add fresh lemon juice. You should also include as many liver-cleansing herbs and spices in your diet as you can, such as turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, dandelion root, milk thistle, ricey mushrooms, and green tea.
5. Stay away from all seed oils that cause inflammation, such as corn, cottonseed, canola, rapeseed, soy oil, processed olive oil that costs less, and so on. Instead, make delicious home-cooked meals with anti-inflammatory fats like extra virgin olive oil and virgin coconut oil. These have been shown to protect the liver. You can also take 1 teaspoon of MCT oil per day or virgin cod liver oil with omega-3 fatty acids to help the liver get rid of toxins and waste.
Okay, so let's take a moment to recap. Vitamin C, vitamin E, B6 and B12, milk thistle, and alpha-lipoic acid are all important for liver health and can be found in foods or supplements. These 5 vitamins and supplements can be a great aid for liver health and support the liver's ability to cleanse and protect itself.
However, it's important to remember that the best way to maintain a healthy liver is through a balanced diet and an active and healthy lifestyle. This means avoiding harmful substances like excessive alcohol, staying physically active, and managing stress levels.
If you're concerned about your liver health, it's recommended that you consult with a doctor. They can help you determine the best course of action for your specific needs.
We hope this video was informative and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and take care.